Hello friends, this is Vijay Singh, weight loss coach, and my mission is to help 100,000 people to lose weight and live a healthy lifestyle. So in this video I am going to talk about a very important uh, topic which is hot right now, and that is about the death of actress Mishti Mukherjee. So I have been getting this link about the post and news from my various clients and clients of my colleagues. So I want to talk more on this and clarify few things. So I don't know how many of you have gone through that post or article completely. I read the complete article and it is clearly mentioned that she was already suffering from kidney disease. She was already having kidney problems before she had started the high fat diet. Now why did she started diet? Probably she might have read somewhere or she might have came across about that high fat and low carb diet is beneficial for organs recovery, for organs healing. Otherwise, who in this world is going to harm his or her own body by doing some nonsense things, right? So obviously she might have come across about something that this thing can help her recovery. But the thing is that when there is time, when we have time to take care of our health, we don't take care of it. And when the time passes away and we don't have much time to take preventive actions, and that's where all these problems happen. So basically, high carbohydrates, high sugar creates a lot of inflammation in our body. Because of that, we have issues in heart, we have issues in veins, we have issues in kidneys. So high sugar is creating a lot of inflammation and a lot of organ failures, diabetes, high blood pressure, high sugar, all these problems, and no one is talking about. So let me clear one thing, sugar versus fat fuel. Many times I have already talked about it, and I am repeating it again. Sugar is a dirty fuel and fat is a clean fuel. What do I mean by that? So when my body producing energy from sugar, it is like my car running on petrol or diesel, whereas my body producing energy from fat is like my car running on electricity. I hope you are getting that what I am going to talk about, that how it is fat is cleaner fuel in comparison to sugar. Sugar creates a lot of inflammation, fat doesn't create any inflammation. Our body is clean from inside when my body is running on fat fuel, whereas sugar fuel creates a lot of unwanted chemicals in our body and it creates inflammation, and which in turn creates a lot of health issues. So high fat diet is very beneficial for our body because it helps our body to heal itself, it heals the organs, and that could be the reason that she might have started this diet. But now people are associating her death due to kidney failures and in association with the high fat diet. Now let me ask you one question. How many of you know that alcohol is bad for our liver? You might have seen when the first level of unlock happened, people were standing in the line without worrying about the COVID virus. They were standing in the lines for hours just to get one bottle of alcohol. Is that they don't know that alcohol is bad for their liver, and they are standing in line for hours so that they can buy that alcohol and they can beat their liver. Nobody is talking about that thing. So many people are dying because of inflammation created over a period of time due to the high sugar. Many people are diabetic and people are dying because of those health issues. Nobody is talking about sugar problem, but still people take alcohol and it is absolutely fine. Now let me talk about smoking. Is that people don't know that the smoke they are putting into their lungs, it is going to heal their lungs or it is going to destroy their lungs? Are they so uneducated or are they so childish that they don't know that smoke, what it is going to do with their lungs, and still they smoke? Nobody talks about it. Everything is fine. But now when somebody started some diet so that she can get healthy, and unfortunately something went wrong because there was not enough time for her body to recover from the slow process of healing, and it has become a noise in the society. As part of this diet, what you are asked to eat? Are you asked to take alcohol? Are you asked to take cigarette smoking? No, right? You have to eat healthy. Lot of green vegetables. Is eating green vegetables are going to create problems on our body, or it is going to be beneficial for our body? You tell me one thing. Is it going to be harmful for our body, or it is going to be beneficial to take green leafy vegetables? Now, how come it can be so dangerous to take healthy food as part of this diet? So I hope you are getting and not getting affected because of these misconceptions. So take care guys. See you again. Bye bye.